Hello, our dearest audience. Welcome back to the Zeloft School of Marketing channel, where we simplify marketing for absolute beginners, for those who are looking to learn digital marketing or marketing skill, and then for those marketing professionals who are trying to up their game and upskill, and finally for business owners and entrepreneurs who want to make more profits and drive their business revenue growth. If you're coming across our channel for the very first time, you are highly welcome. This is a good time to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any of the amazing stuff we have for you. Trust me, there's a whole lot more where this is currently coming from. Alright, so the topic of today's lesson or today's class is crafting a compelling brand message. How to make your brand stand out. Now, if you have been following us from the very beginning, you now know how to define your audience, research your competition, and build your marketing strategy. And if you have missed any of the videos we have put out here, you can, after this video, go back to watch them so that you have a good foundation and a good grasp of foundational marketing principles. But today we are going into something equally important and exciting, your brand message. Now, your brand message is what makes you stand out in a crowded market. Now, let's explore how to create one that resonates with your target audience and drives results for your brand or your business. And don't forget to stay to the end because we actually have a fun marketing fact to share with you at the end of today's video. Now, what is a brand message? A brand message is the core idea of value that you want your audience to associate with your business. I'll take it again. Your brand message is the core idea of value that you want your audience to associate with your business. Now, it is what you stand for and how you communicate what you stand for to your customers. For example, Nike's message is not just about selling shoes. It's about inspiring athletes and every one of us. Now, a great brand message transcends products and it connects emotionally with the audience. Now, there are three key elements to crafting a very strong and compelling brand message. The first is clarity. Now, you have to make sure that your message is easy to understand. Avoid jargons, avoid complex grammar, complicated words, and be as straightforward as possible. The next thing is your value proposition. Now, highlight what makes your product or service unique and valuable to your audience. Remember, you're not the only one selling that particular product or rendering that particular service, but you can make yours stand out. That's where your unique value proposition comes in. The next thing is emotion. Your brand message should evoke some kind of emotion, whether it's excitement, whether it's trust, whether it's a sense of belonging. Remember, people might not remember what you say or how you say, but they remember how you make them feel. Emotions are strong, they are very powerful. When people connect emotionally to your brand, they remember the feeling of your brand long after they've even forgotten what you said to them. For example, think of Apple. Their message is not about selling technology. It's about creativity, excellence, and pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Now, the next thing is how to craft your own brand message. And to create your own brand message, start by answering these key questions. First of all, who are you? What does your brand stand for? Secondly, what do you offer and what are your key products or services? And then thirdly, why does it matter? What impact do you want to make on your customers' lives? Once you answer these questions, you can craft a concise and impactful brand message. For example, the statements could be as simple as, at Taiwo and Sons, we help young men achieve confidence, self-esteem, success by ensuring they look great every day, every time, and everywhere. That was so simple, so straightforward, but that could be your brand message. Now, let's take a look at some real-world examples. There are a few brands that have done this absolutely well, and we can emulate and learn from them. One of these is Coca-Cola. Funny enough, they do not sell soda. They actually sell happiness and moments of joy. That's why across their marketing, you see them advertising happiness, feelings of family time, belongings, fun, happiness, because that is what they sell. That's the emotion they sell. And that's why sometimes people want to feel happy and they buy a bottle of Coke because they associate it with those feelings of joy. Another example is Tesla. Now, their message is not just about electric cars. It's about sustainability and revolutionizing transportation. So everybody who feels like they want to be sustainable, they want to pay attention to sustainable development, they will gravitate towards Tesla. Or they want to be revolutionary, different from their peers and contemporary. Tesla will be their favorite brand. Now, these companies have built strong connections with their audiences through their brand messaging, and you too can do that. And remember, your brand message is the foundation of all your marketing efforts, and getting it right will help you stand out in a very crowded market. In our next class, we'll be teaching you visual branding and how your brand's look can support your brand message. Now, if you found this video helpful, or you learned something from today's lesson, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you do not miss out on all the other amazing stuff we have in store for you. Also, don't forget to share this video to any entrepreneur, business owner, marketing professional, or young person trying to learn a skill that they can monetize. Brighten someone's day today, put a smile on their face and give them something that is more priceless than any money or any other gift. And then finally, use the comment section generously. Let us know if you have any questions, if you have any gray areas you want us to clarify, if there's any particular thing that stood out for you in today's class. We look forward to seeing you in our next class. Hopefully you would have implemented the things you learned today. See you in our next class, and hopefully a better version of you, a better marketer, of course, because you have implemented things you have learned. Do take care of you.